Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz, this is my channel Toiletterian. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have another unboxing and first impression plus an update for you, and this update is for the brand Jaguar, and this is the latest release from the brand Jaguar, and this is Jaguar Era. This is 100 ml EDT and it came out 2022. This one is classified as aromatic woody, and this is very good. I really enjoyed it. It reminds me of, okay, don't quote me on that, okay, because I haven't smelled Chanel Allure Sport Homme Sport Chanel Allure Sport additional blanche. Okay, so I haven't smelled that for a while, but it reminds me of that. How close? I would say at least about 60-70% close to that one. So it reminds me of that. Okay, don't quote me because as I said I haven't smelled that one for a while. Yeah, it reminds me of that one quite strongly. Okay, so it opens up with huge citrus, especially the orange. The orange is big, and the lemon and the bergamot is big as well, which is very uplifting, very fresh, very inviting. Also, this one got a big pineapple. Yes, big pineapple, but don't think about the Credentis, yeah? The second you mention pineapple, people go for Credentis. Credentis is not the only perfume in the world with pineapple, okay? There are many perfumes with pineapple in them. So this is another one. So it's a very juicy pineapple. It's very juicy, uplifting, again sweet. So the opening is sweet, is uplifting, and very citrusy plus the pineapple. And then when it goes to the mid after let's say 30 minutes, then you're invited by big lavender plus the geranium. These two are the biggest player here. Also there is a patchouli, there is spices, there's a little bit of spice, star anise feel to it. Not much, it's not a big player, but you can feel it in the background. So a little bit of star anise, a little bit of spiciness, a little bit of pepperiness as well. And then when it goes to the dry down, and you would end up with big cedar. The cedar in here is big dose of cedar, plus musk, plus obviously ambroxan, which you cannot avoid these days. So this is the story of this fragrance, how it starts and how it finishes. The performance for EDT is quite respectable. It goes around 6 hours. If you put it on t-shirt, it goes around 8 hours, which is not bad at all. For the first hour it's quite loud and slowly subside. So it's a medium performer, medium projector, but for EDT again is quite respectable. This one is all year round, but obviously it's a little bit better suited for warmer weather, but you can rock it all year round because of those heavier elements and also the spiciness, the patchouli in here, and also there's a big cedar in here, so it makes it quite all year rounder. In terms of age, doesn't have any age. This can be worn by any age from 15 and over. Occasions, this is formal, informal, just a little bit on the dressy side if you like this kind of fragrances. And also it's quite modern, it's up to date, it's quite trendy, so it is one of those modern fragrances. For under £25 I can recommend it if you like. That's what I said the additional blanche by Chanel, the Allure Homme additional blanche, that the sport additional blanche one. Okay, it reminds me of that one. As I said, I haven't smelled that one for a while, so but this, when I was smelling it, so it smelled very familiar which one, and then it hits me additional blanche. Okay, so yes, it's good if you like that perfume and you want something cheaper and an alternative to it. This is very good. Okay guys, let's go to today's unboxing and first impression, and this doesn't need introduction. This is a classic. It came out in early 90s, and this is Versace in his best element, and this is Versace L'Homme. Versace L'Homme. This is a tester, 100 ml EDT. So Versace L'Homme is it came out early the 90s. He was very respected at the time because he was superbly gorgeous. This is quite on the mature side as far as I remember, because many years ago I had a bottle of it, God knows how many years, maybe 20 years, 25 years ago. I wore it for a bit, but then I think I gave it to my brother or something like that, so I vaguely remember it, but I remember it was beautiful. Okay, anyway, so let's see how is the so the box is nothing because it's a this one is a tester. Only thing is yeah, the bottle is classic. Look at that, very classic bottle, and you can find this in the UK under £25 still. It is quite easy to find. It's not, I don't think it's been discontinued, otherwise it won't be this widespread everywhere. Almost everywhere you can find it. But let's see how is the juice and how if they changed it or reformulated it, because if that is the case, it's what a shame. But let's see. Anyway, so very classic Versace bottle, simple but quite classic, and I like this kind of bottles. Then we go with the sprayer. Very good sprayer. So Versace L'Homme. Oh my god, it's filling the room. Woo, still strong. Goodness me. Oh my goodness. Woo. Oh my god, I don't need to put my nose in it. I can smell it everywhere. Yes, it's very strong and it's still going on very strong after 25 years. Wow, what a smell. Gorgeous. Ooh, it slaps you in the face. Okay, so this is masculine to the max. Okay, this is hairy chest, massive mustache. This is no metrosex. This is no unisex. This is no I like my scents, you know, modern. No, this is classic, heavy on the floral, heavy on the green notes. I can smell some spices in there. There is a big patchouli in here. Ooh, just basically layers and layers of things, as just so many layers, but it's quite soapy right now. Very clean, very soapy, very manly, very masculine, very classic, very classy. Super classy. Mamma mia, this is Thailand's suit and tie. Beautiful. It's got an underlying sweetness, which is probably, there's something like a vanilla in here, but it's a classic vanilla. It's not a modern vanilla, which is they are too sweet. This is underlying sweetness plus that smoothness. Okay. Yeah, but so many things in here. Woody backbone. The woods are, there's a vetiver in here. There's woods in the background. There's cedar. There's sandalwood. Oh my god. Goodness me, this is gorgeous to the max, especially for me as a middle-aged man. Okay, so this is definitely 30 and up. This is not under 30. It will scare people if you give it, you know, somebody under 30 and you give it to them and so smell it. They will say, "Whoa, what's this?" This is not for the faint-hearted. Definitely very masculine, very heavy on the florals, very heavy on the green stuff. It's herbal, it's just spicy, it's woody, it's leafy, it's green. Oh my goodness. And the citruses are huge in here. Citrus is just layer and layer of citrus, like lemon, lime, bergamot, grapefruit, you name it, orange, everything is in here. Orange blossom. Goodness me, it's just gorgeous. For me, this is 10 out of 10. Wow, what an opening. It just slapped me in the face and woke me up. Okay guys, yeah, I love it. So I'll let you know in the next video the performance, which is at the moment is like filling the whole house. Okay, but let's see how it goes and the development. Even with that, you know what it is. but I'm loving it. Ooh, it's got underlying suede or leather as well, and a huge oak moss in here. The oak moss giving it that earthy green, little bit of like a even seaweedy feel to it. It's very watery as well, but not a oceanic water. No, it's like a river water, okay, or like a lake water, okay, fresh water. But unbelievable, gorgeous. Okay, so let's let's see what will happen. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, it doesn't cost you anything. This way you help me to you help me, you support me, and you encourage me to carry on with this endeavor. I will appreciate it very much. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell button for future uploads, and share this video with others. This way you help me to expand my channel. I'll be very grateful. If you know any of this, if you know anything else that other people should know about, they're good value for money, they smell good, and they last a long time, let other people know as well. That would be very nice of you. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.